Hi everyone, this is Jayashree, Assistant Professor, Department of IoT. So in this lecture series, we discuss upon various forensic tools in cybercrime subject. Okay, so what are the different types of hardware tools or software tools used for forensic analysis and investigation purpose. So that different types of tools we are going to discuss. The unit name is Evidence Collections and Forensic Tools. Right. Right. So, computer forensic tools are currently constantly being developed, updated, patched, and revised. So, the tools are often developed based on our need, based on the OS, based on the requirement, based on the incident happen. We have to choose the right tool for the particular investigation. Okay. So, therefore, checking vendors' websites routinely to look for new features and improvements is important. Before purchasing any forensic tools, consider whether the tool can save your time during the investigations and whether that time saving affects the reliability of data you recover. Okay, so based on the requirement, based on without affecting the data, the tool should be a reliable one to recover the data. So, a small care should be taken while selecting data, right? So evaluating computer forensic tool needs. So some questions to ask when evaluating computer forensic tools. What are the questions to be asked while selecting forensic tool? One is, on which OS does the forensic tool run? So whether it is in a Windows XP, Vista, whether the tool works on all the three OS in a proper way, these are the things you have to look on, whether the tool is versatile or not, whether it is a versatile one, that also you have to think on. Can the tool analyze more than one file system, such as FAT, NTFS, and the extension to file system? Okay, whether the tool is accessible in all the file systems, that also to be considered. Can a scripting language be used with the tool to automate repetitive functions and tasks? That also to be considered. As a tool have any automated features that can help reduce the time needed to analyze the data. So, is the tool has any automated features to help to reduce the time needed? Whether it automatically and detects certain things, whether it automatically um, uh, give a report, capture data, that also to be considered based on the latest type of tool. So, what is the vendor's reputation for providing product support? So, it is considered. Then task performed with computer forensic tool. What are the tasks performed with the tool? All computer forensic tools, both software and hardware, performs specific functions. These functions are grouped into 5 categories. What are the 5 major functions? One is acquisition, validation and discriminations, extraction, reconstructions, and reporting. What is that? Acquisition. So what is acquisition? Acquisition, the first task in computer forensics investigations is making a copy of original drive. So it is copying the data in another drive. So copying the data, we call it as acquisitions. Acquisition generally acquiring data, we all know. So here in computer forensic terms, uh, it represents um, it represents a copying a data without changing its content format, and also that is acquisition. That copy is either a physical data copy, logical data copy, data acquisition format, command line acquisition, geographical user interface acquisition, remote acquisition, then verification. So these are all the different types of copying: physical verification and logical data copy. So different types of acquisition techniques. Then some computer forensic software tools such as What are so here access data FTK, that is a file in a forensic toolkit, and NCAS provide separate tools for acquiring an image. So these two software tools are used to acquire an image as a separate for acquiring image, these two tools are used. However, some investigators opt to use hardware devices such as a Logicube Talon, Womb Hard Copy 3, or Image Master Solo 3 forensic unit from Intelligent Computer Solutions Incorporations. So, Intelligent Computer Solutions Incorporations developed these tools: Logicube, Talcom, Womb Hard Copy 3, or Image Master Solo Strange. Okay, right. These are hardware tools. Hardware devices have their own built-in software for data acquisition. So these things have its own built-in software for data acquisition. No other device or program is needed to make a duplicate drive. So if this tool is used, it captures all the data. No need for any additional device. However, you still need forensic software to analyze the data. Okay, right. So we continue this topic in the next consecutive lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.